Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear babe. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much.
Don't mind my voice, but this is how I sing.
Right. So you can imagine, this is how she sings.
So anyways, the birthday boy is drinking tea right now. This is how he is starting his day. What do you want to eat for breakfast? Do you want waffles? Do you want pancakes? What do you want? Just let me know.
We are literally waiting for the stove top to get replaced.
Yeah.
The vendor is gonna be here in like another 10 minutes.
Yep.
And then we can think about a nice brunch. We're gonna go out. We are still not dining outside like you guys may already know, but we are taking takeout. So it just is gonna depend on the mood of the day.
Yes.
What we wanna do. So
the dogs are locked outside over there. They're enjoying in the deck because of the vendor who's gonna come. So yeah, our day started at 8 AM this morning because we had to walk the dogs and all that stuff, and it is 10:20 right now.
Yeah, we are still having our tea.
Yes, we are still having our tea right now.
Because they both are handful.
Yep.
You guys must have noticed that by now in our vlogs. And both of them right now wants to come inside. Yeah,
Marvel is also trying to open the door, but you guys can't see him from here. But anyways, last night's dinner was so good. If you guys haven't checked that vlog out, go and check it out. We were so satisfied after the chicken curry.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. And then we had a very good night's sleep because of the chicken curry.
Yep.
And it also became so spicy that
Oh yeah, you should have seen Tanya in the last vlog. So don't forget to check the previous vlog. You're gonna have some fun there.
Yeah.
And stay tuned because you're gonna find out what Tanya got for me for this birthday. I already have found out.
Yeah. I'm just waiting for it to get delivered today.
Yes.
And one of the gifts is getting delivered on 6th January, so...
Yeah, so it's a little delayed because of the timings. But we'll post a picture here somewhere in the video so you guys can know when I share my gifts.
Yep.
And Tanya already got her return gift before even my gift is delivered. So...
I always get a return gift from everyone.
Yes, so she has already gotten her return gift and we will share that as well with you guys. So stay tuned for the rest of the vlog because even we don't know where this day is gonna take us. Alright guys, so our stove top has been changed, new and shiny. Tanya double cleaned it one more time, even though it was a new one. And then this little devil and then this big devil, they sneaked into the yard and we ended up giving them a bath. And he is so tiny and he do sprints in the yard and that make him all muddy. So he got a full bath almost and he just got his paws cleaned because I just lured him in with a treat and this guy doesn't eat, so treats don't work at him. So anyways, Tanya is using her magical easer off over there on the oven grills to clean a little bit. And then once she is done, we'll see what we're gonna do next. It's almost noon. We don't know what we are doing. So let's see.
Astro, go inside. Astro, stay. Alright, so the package has arrived. Marvel's, not Marvel's, Mayang's gift is right over there and they are dumbbells. I'm gonna put a picture right here. It's because you guys know we are setting up a garage in our gym. He was super excited to get all the dumbbells and all this, so I just surprised him with this thing. And there's another thing for the gym that is coming. Again, the picture is over here, but that is arriving on January 6th, so it's gonna take a little bit time. But for now, let's work with this. I'm gonna call him outside because it's super heavy. It's 60 pounds. So I'm gonna call him and then I'm gonna ask him to help me with some stuff and then I'm gonna surprise him. So let's see. Babe, can you help me with some stuff?
Hey, you, Astro, away. Stay.
Ta-da!
Yeah!
That's your birthday gift.
Oh my god, you gotta open the door. This is 120 pounds. Oh my gosh. Look what Daddy got! Look what Daddy got, Marvel! No! Are you guys excited to work out with Daddy in the
gym?
garage? In the garage gym Daddy made? Okay, I'm getting them super excited. Because of my energy, they are getting super excited. So I can't wait to open this. So let's get the knife and let's get the scissors. Open this and keep it in the garage. Oh
yeah, I think take it to the gym and open it.
Yep. Oh my god.
All right. I washed all these rugs and then I just have to put them. So yeah, our garage gym is still in progress. You can see the matting is done. We are still getting some more stuff. So here's a scissor for you.
This is basically my birthday gift.
Yeah, this is basically his birthday gift. This whole area.
And there's one more thing that
they know.
Ordered.
Yep.
And we post a picture of what that is.
Yeah. He knows what the other gift is.
Yeah.
So, yep. This is basically 120 pounds of dumbbells, 60 and 60 for both the sides basically.
Yeah.
Pair. It's 120, babe?
No, 60 pound dumbbell set. Ooh, you wanna show it?
Yes.
So it is 30 kgs. It has all the different plates.
This is how it looks.
These are the plates.
Ooh, look at the plates. Oh, I like it.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
This is 1.25 kgs or 2.7 pounds. You can smell the
New
new.
rubber, whatever.
Yeah, it's like polished.
Yeah.
So you can like literally smell. So we have to organize like all the same ones, 2.7, 2.7.
What is this?
These are locks.
This is 2.7 pound.
And
It must be the same another one.
3.3.
Also, you have 3 of each?
Let's see. There will be
4 of each actually.
Yes.
Yeah, it's written over here. Which one is this?
This is 3.3. I think this is the one.
Yeah.
1.25. Oof. This is the heaviest one.
How much is that?
4.4 pounds. And this is 5.5. These are the dumbbell rods.
2 rods हैं.
Huh?
2 rods हैं.
2 dumbbells parallel.
Oh.
How will you work? And these are the locks. You just have the locks on, so you can put as many plates and just tighten them.
Yeah.
All right, super duper excited. Thank you, babe. We are so close to finishing up the gym. There's one more equipment coming, and that I already know.
Yeah.
So I guess I'm just gonna arrange these, and then we're gonna head back, take shower, and get out.
Yes. The anniversary balloons are over here. So yeah. This space is empty for that thing to come over here. For the machine.
To come here.
And this is like this.
Yes, and then now we have everything lined up.
Yep, all the weights.
In the increasing weight order. With the bars are here. We have our resistance bands.
Skipping
rope and everything here. We have
ab roller, ball, yoga box, everything. Ankle weight.
Ankle weights and
foam roller.
this won't be used a lot now because since the machine that we have already has it. And the best thing.
Yep.
I cannot.
Now that's how it's gonna work out here. It's 1:30 and finally we are getting out of the house. We haven't eaten anything since morning because we have been so busy with the dogs. So, but anyways, whew, everything is done. They are resting inside, so we are leaving out. We're gonna pick up coffee and then we are gonna go to Target. I need to pick up something, and then we're gonna pick up food while coming back, and in the evening I'm gonna cook for him something nice and delicious, whatever he wants, from appetizers to main course to dessert, non-stop, like a buffet, like Barbecue Nation. So yeah, we are going out now. All right, we got some coffee from a local coffee house called Wake Zone Coffee House, and I haven't tried the cappuccino. It's so good, but I got cappuccino and he got cafe mocha with dark chocolate.
Well, we are home and there has been a pleasant surprise from Yashu and Ashley. They are in Florida, but they did send the gift. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. I haven't tried it on, but I know what's inside. So, my very first pair of boots! They look amazingly well, so I'm gonna try them and take a picture and send to them. So thanks to Yashu and Ashley for sending such a thoughtful gift. This looks super cool. So I'm gonna quickly try them on.
That's his shoes. He just tried it. It looks very, very nice. There it is.
And they are comfortable.
Yeah, they're comfortable, so.
Ooh, my first pair of shoes.
Not your first pair of shoes, your first pair of boots.
After a very long time. In India I have one,
yeah,
ankle shoes, but then after a very long time I'm finally having the boots.
Yep.
I like it.
Got Chick-fil-A on our way back. Oh, and that is what we are gonna eat right now. And then in the evening we're gonna start making some delicious food. We have already decided what we're gonna eat, but for you guys to know, you guys have to continue watching and see it. Astro, on your bed. Astro. Here. So yeah, here is the spicy chicken sandwich that we always get from Chick-fil-A.
Okay guys, so you won't believe what the time is. Time is 10:15. Tanya and I ran a quick errand this evening. But since we had our first meal at 3, we were so full that we didn't feel like eating. And then by the time we got hungry at 9, all the restaurants closed and there was nothing that's getting delivered. So finally Tanya cooked me such an amazing meal in the least amount of time. So let me show you that. We are having butter paneer or paneer butter masala without butter. I'm healthy.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. And then we are having gobi aloo masala, and we are having some garlic naan and butter naan, and then some salad. So super delicious meal, and we are just serving. Naans are in the oven, and we are just gonna serve, enjoy this super delicious meal, yes, and watch some Virgin River. You guys get prepared for Christmas because that's the next event of the month. So stay tuned for more, and we are gonna see you in our next vlog. And thank you for all your lovely wishes through Instagram, and I know so many of you have been reaching out. So thank you so much. You guys are the ones who make this super special for us. So thanks again. Keep watching, stay warm, and have fun. Bye bye.